Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel Island Life Comoros, where I share videos about tropical village life here in Comoros, 4 islands in the Indian Ocean, in the Mozambique Channel between Madagascar and Africa. I'm in a village called Mjwaezi and we are hiking a place called Karthala. So this is a volcanic area. You get the chance to see how does a volcanic place look like. We are in the way, just to eat some fruits on our way of going up there. So fruits are very free here. You don't have to pay. You can grab them and eat. Wow, look at the fruits. See, so these are free fruits. They are white fruits. This is a jackfruit tree. Let's hike. So my friends, both of them, the girl and the boy, they are from this village. They are helping me to explore their beautiful place. Hey guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. I really love this place. Just look at the environment. Guys, this is the top of the mountain. You know, this is the volcano that did all of this. The place is very beautiful. Just look at the village. It's just behind us. It's very beautiful to see. That is the village, Mjwaezi, and here we are on the top of the volcanic mountain. This is Mr. Yazid, our tour guide, you know. Yes. Both of them, oh, Mr. Yasin, both of them are from this village. You know, they are helping me to tour this beautiful place. Afraid, you know, we are going in the crater, inside the crater. So this is where the volcano started. You cannot see the hole very well because of the different trees that are growing, but this is where the volcano started, and it spread all over this place. And it has destroyed the entire region, and there is a village that was nearby, and it was completely destroyed. It was in 1977.